I would like to teach 7th standard, Unit 3, Part C. That is the magic of silk. The magic of silk. Let us see vocabulary. We see verb forms here: base verb, past verb, past participle form, and does form. Generally, we are familiar with V1, V2, V3 and V4. But I haven't given you one more here, that is present participle V5. That is ing form. Generally, we use V1, V2, V3. More than we have to use V4 and V5. Base form, past form, past participle form, does form, and present participle form. Now let us see here few verb forms from the text. Live, lived, lived, lives. Kill, killed, killed, kills. Return, returned, returned, returns. Start, started, started, starts. Look, looked, looked, looks. Once again, I repeat the verb forms. These are as follows under V1, V2, V3, V4. Live, live, lived, lived, lives. Kill, killed, killed, kills. Return, returned, returned, returns. Start, started, started, starts. Look, looked, looked, looks. We can see just an example for 2-3 verb forms. Live, I live in Japan. Killed, John killed the cat. Starts, knowledge starts with practice. New slide. Reply, replied, replied, replies. Come, came, come, comes. Explain, explained, explained, explains. Help, helped, help, helps. Give, gave, given, gives. I repeat once again. Reply, replied, replied, replies. Come, came, come, comes. Explain, explained, explained, explains. Help, helped, helped, helps. Give, gave, given, gives. Example sentences for few verbs. Come, you have come at the right time. Give, go and give the car a wash. Help, we can't do without the help of your organization. New slide. Tell, told, told, tells. Open, opened, opened, opens. Use, used, used, uses. Reach, reached, reached, reaches. answer, answered, answered, answers. I repeat once again. Tell, told, told, tells. Open, opened, opened, opens. Use, used, used, uses. Reach, reached, reached, reaches. Answer, answered, answered, answers. Let us see few verbs examples. Open, the museum is open to the public. Reach, the railway line will soon reach to our town. Tell, can you tell me how do I dial London? Now, two new words and its meaning. Bundle, noun, a loosely tied packet. Remain, verb, have still. Bundle, example sentence. Bundle up, it's freezing outside. Remain, the law should remain in force. Comprehension, that children should test yourself. Who do you think the old man is? Justify your reasons. Do you believe in miracles? Or magic and miracles same? Give your reasons. If you were swimming, how would you feel? Whatever good we give out comes back to us. Do you believe in this? Give reasons.